One of the easiest ways to make vampire fangs is with white press-on fingernails. Grab 2 press-on nails and make sure they're the same size so the fangs will match. Hold the nail over one of your canine teeth to get a rough idea of how much you need to trim off. Then, use a pair of sharp scissors to cut the nail into a triangle shape. Do the same thing with the other nail to create your second fang. Use a nail file to smooth out and shape each fang so they're both nice and pointy. Hold the first fang with the triangle tip pointing down at the floor. Turn it over so the back side is facing you, and put a dab of denture glue on the top half of the tooth. Press the fang directly onto your canine tooth and hold it in place for 10 to 15 seconds so the glue can create a strong bond. Do the same thing with the other fang for your other canine tooth. Your fangs should stay in place all night. Avoid eating or sleeping with your fangs in. When you're ready to remove them, simply tug them off with a little force and brush your teeth with warm water to remove any glue residue. When you're ready to put your fangs back on, just reapply another dab of denture glue and press them back into place.